Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So glad that everybody decided to turn into this video. Today I'm going to be going over some new stuff, a little friend mail. I got my Boxy add-on. I did some changes to myself, so I thought I would share all of that with y'all. So, as you can see, the first thing that I did do is I got my septum pierced. I am liking it. The piercing itself was not as horrible as I thought it was going to be. But I have many piercings. My eyebrows done. I have snake bites. I have the middle. I have the Maryland. I have my belly button. I had my tongue for years. I know about piercings. This one, the recovery period is so much different. I thought about doing a video on it. I will contemplate that in my head and we'll come back to that at another time. But I also wanted to mention it is past the 2-month mark of when I started my locks and they are doing wonderful. So I did order some extensions. As you can see, I do have some more coming in. We will be trying all kinds out. I'm loving them. And I thought sleeping on them would be the hardest part. It's not. It's like sleeping on a big, fluffy, soft pillow. I was wearing a yam. It's a hat that is specifically made for dreadlocks to help keep your hair less frizzy, more intact, that kind of thing. I will say with my extensions that I can't fit them all in there, so I do just sleep on them like they are, and I'm loving them. So with the new extensions, my next thing came in this little package off of Etsy. I have been loving Etsy here lately. I did order some of the alien skin plugs. I'd never done these types, so I'm also enjoying those too. But this is a Dreadlock Spiral Tie. Now I can put all of my hair up, and this has a wire inside of it. You just wrap your hair around it, and it doesn't leave kinks or bends or damage any of my hair or any of my extensions. So I have worn it a couple of times. Putting my hair up in a ponytail now takes on a whole new meaning. It is very full, it is very heavy, but it is very, very cute, and I'm totally digging it. So I'm glad that I did pick one of these up. I'm sure I will pick up a few more. I do like the fact that it comes or goes down all more combined, which makes it very travel friendly when we can do that again. When I go back to my rock concerts, this will fit perfectly in a backpack and not cause any problems. So I like it. It's super cute, super easy. My next thing came in this. This is from Joe WINTHROW. She does have a channel on here. I will put it in the description box down below. Do go over and check her out. Now she was, I guess, on a live one night, and I try to catch her lives and James's lives and Shelly's lives a lot. I want to support other people that I enjoy watching, so I've been trying to catch a lot of those. But James was on there that night, and he lives out of the USA. So she was going to send him this Milk Hydro Grip sample, and since it has CBD in it, she can't send it. So I was talking about how much I wanted to try this, and I just never bit the bullet because I don't know why. I just haven't. So she was nice enough to send it to me so that I can actually try it. I'm super excited about trying it. I haven't touched it since she sent it to me, so I will definitely let y'all know what I think about it. And then as an added bonus, she sent me the Prep and Refresh kit from Beccas. This has the cooling powder that we got out of boxycharm a while back. It has that powder in there. And then it has the First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So I will definitely be trying both of those out. I have tried out the powder. And I like the powder. It does lose its coolness after a while. But for a powder, it's a nice powder. I don't use it under my eyes. I don't think it sets very well. But as a powder, it's a nice powder. She also sent me a little card. It will go up on my curtain rod where my other cards are. This is what it looks like. Super cute card. I like the black, white, and gray tones. It says, Becca, thank you so much for being such a great supporter. You're truly a beautiful person inside and out. I love watching your channel. I hope you enjoy this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Loves and hugs, Mary Jo. AKA Joe, just Joe WINTHROW. P.S. The Becca kit just reminded me of you. Enjoy. So, Joe, thank you very much. You didn't have to send that, but I've been looking at that primer for a while, so it's kind of a 2-in-1 deal, so I'm not mad about it. And I appreciate you sending it to me. James, I hope you watch the video and you'll get to know what I think about it. I do feel a little bad that you weren't able to receive it, but at the same time, I hope you're just as happy to see somebody else review it also. So there's that. The next thing is this package right here. I was sent this from Alicelynnilovebeingagrammie. I will also leave her channel down below so that you can go check her out. She sent me the palette from BH Cosmetic. It is the Galaxy Chick. And it's a very, very pretty palette. It is an 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. BH Cosmetics does have nice eyeshadows. Their formula is very good. And it is very affordable. So that is what that palette looks like. Like I said, it's a very, very pretty palette. I haven't used it yet. I do think that there are a few of us that got this and that we will be doing a collab with this palette. So do keep an eye on that. Alice, I appreciate you sending that to me. I will say that I am wearing on my eyes the sister palette to that, which is the Aurora Lights palette. This is also a baked eyeshadow palette. And the colors in here are all shimmers in both palettes. But it is truly a stunning palette. Come on, focus. Okay. So it is truly a very, very stunning, stunning palette. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I thought that it went with the sweater, so that's what we did. Hold on, I forgot the little plastic dilly whopper, which I think with the glitter shadows, shimmer shadows, you should keep your plastic. If not, it gets all over your mirror. Not that it doesn't get all over your mirror anyway, because it does. It just helps keep that down a little bit. And then the last thing in here is from Boxy. This is the add-on that I placed for, I'm guessing October, since we're in October. I will say that they have gotten a lot better about the packaging as far as shipping our items out to us. For a while there, they did have some major problems. But it is all in there with this little, I don't even know what to call that, over-processed cardboard. I don't know. But what I ended up getting was the Murad Hydrating Toner. I am a toner junkie. I love a good toner. You should use toner every night, every morning. Fully believe in my toner. The next thing I got was the M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. I love this. This is the second time of me buying it. The fragrance on it is amazing. It does smell just like the beach. I've been to the beach a couple of times, and that's what this reminds me of. And the fragrance is beach air. I use this almost religiously as I would use salt for my food. I use this on my body, my hair, my body, the whole 9 yards. And my other one is about down to here. So I was super glad that it was in there and super happy that I picked it up again. Then I bought the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Now, this did not come in my box, but my mother received this. And I don't know, a couple weeks ago, a month ago now, our hot water tank element, the heating element went out. So I was taking a shower at my mother's. This was in there, and I thought, oh, that stuff smells so good. I'm going to try it because I'm in her bathtub, you know. Why not take the chance on trying it? And I did, and then it was an add-on, so I was like, oh, somebody loves me. So now I have it in my own shower. That is definitely working. And then the last thing I got was from the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. I did receive one in my boxycharm. I received the Keep It Rio, I think is what it's called. Anyway, it's the neuter of the three. I like it. It does have a very wicked smell. You can definitely smell the Boom Boom cream in it. But then it has like a smell of Play-Doh. Like when you were in church as a kid making Play-Doh. That's what it reminds me of. So I received the nude one. And I picked up the Soulmate, which is the darkest one. And I wish I'd have picked up the pink one. I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. I was thinking, oh, it's fall, all dark colors. Well, I totally wish I'd have picked up the pink one. I think it was Teeny Bikini. Anyway, that is what those two colors look like. This is the darker. Oh. And this is the lighter one. It's just a nice wash of color. So I did pick up that one. I thought that I did rather good at the add-on sale. I will say, I know this isn't a BoxyCharm video, but I'm still going to talk, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. I do wish that they would hold off on what we're supposed to be getting in the box that month for the next month with add-ons. I know that we all have these big, huge, extravagant collections that I didn't need this. I didn't need any of this. I don't need it. I like it. I wanted it. Two different ratios there. But at the same time, having one backup, you know, it might seem crazy to some people. Having 4, 6, that's crazy. And BoxyCharm can control that if they don't put stuff in there for us consumers to overbuy. We already spent enough money. They should take into account and consideration to do something different with the add-on process. It's nice. I love it. It was one of the features that brought me back to BoxyCharm. But at the same time, like I said, you don't need 4 and 5 backups of a product that's just going to sit there until you use it. Or you only wanted to try it and you hate it, and now you have 3 other ones waiting that you're never going to use. Anyway, guys, Alice, thank you for the palette. It's beautiful. Joe, thank you for the Hydro Grip Primer. I can't wait to try it out. James, I hope you're a good sport about it. And guys, that's my video. So please do subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. I would greatly appreciate it. Do give this video a like. If you like, fall, there you go. Halloween's right around the corner, so do give it a like or give it a dislike. I'm a big girl. I can take it. And until next time, guys, I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye. I do apologize. There was also a card from Alice, and I forgot to put that in there. But this is the card that she sent me. And it says, hello, beautiful Becca. Just a little something to show you how much you mean to me. Love you so much, Alice. So, Alice, I do appreciate the card. I'm sorry, I forgot. When I opened it, it was stuck in between the palette and the bubble wrap. But thank you for the card and the palette. I do appreciate it. And I love you too.